In this video, I'm going to show you 10 actually useful things you should 3D print that you'll use every day. Make sure to stay to the end to see the hands-on best beginner print out there. Let's get started. Number 1. Cable clips. Cable clips are one of the easiest and most useful first prints. They help keep charging cables, headphones, and USB cords organized instead of falling behind your desk. Most cable clips print fast, don't need supports, and use very little filament, perfect for beginners. Number 2. Phone holder. A phone holder is another classic beginner print. You can use it for watching videos, video calls, or just keeping your phone upright on your desk. There are thousands of free designs and most can be printed in under 2 hours. This one has a hole in the bottom for a charging cable so you can charge your phone at the same time as it's being held up. Here you can see how it perfectly fits the shape of my phone, holding it nice and snug. Number 3. Fidgets. Fidgets are small, fun prints that are great for learning printer settings. They usually have moving parts and help you understand tolerances and print quality. Plus, they're quick to print and make easy, great desk toys and gifts. There are all kinds of them, such as flexi ones, spinners or gyros, and lots of animals. Just make sure you have a good printer or these are going to be a struggle. Mine were printed on the Bamboo P1S, which has a very good tolerance, allowing me to print these small parts with no problems. However, with printers that are not as dialed in, these prints may be very difficult or even impossible to make. Such small parts, like these in this little octopus, were hard even for my printer, so some printers definitely would not be able to make this print. Number 4. Tool holders. Tool holders help organize tools such as screwdrivers, hex keys, or pliers. This is where 3D printing really shines because you can customize the holder to fit your exact tools. Even a simple wall-mounted holder can help clean up your entire workspace. This one mounts directly on the Bamboo P1S using a tiny overhang that attaches to the printer in a small groove. You can put literally anything in these holders. In mine I have Sharpies, screwdrivers, super glue, pliers, and other various tools. Number 5. Printer upgrades. Speaking of the P1S, one of the smartest things you can print early is upgrades for your own 3D printer. Things like tool holders, filament guides, wedge catchers, cable chains, or anything else can help improve usability and print flow. Here we have a purge collection slide and a bench scraper for getting products on your plate. Just make sure the upgrade is designed for your specific print line. You only make that mistake once. Been there, done that. Number 6. Maker supply. You can also print useful maker supplies like boxes, trays, organizers, small containers, and clocks. These are great for holding screws, nuts, bolts, electronic parts, and telling the time. However, Bamboo also makes these awesome kits like these that have motors and moving parts. I'll link a full video below showing one of the best maker supply prints. Number 7. Filament storage. Keeping filament dry and organized is very important. You can put filament clips, like this one here, spool holders, or even full replacement spools. These spools help prevent tangles and other problems later on. They're great to have in your workshop. Here is a fully 3D printed replacement spool. It opens like this to allow the extra filament to be put inside, and then it snaps back closed to be able to put in the printer and print with it. Number 8. Helmets and cosplay. If you want a bigger challenge, helmets and cosplay pieces are great long-term projects. These prints take time and patience, but they teach you slicing, supports, and post-processing. Even if you don't finish one right away, they're great learning prints, and maybe even an awesome Halloween costume. Number 9. Decorations. Decorative prints are an easy way to personalize your space. Things like desk figures, wall art, vases, or seasonal decorations are simple and satisfying. They also look perfect for testing colors and film times, while also making your home or desk look just a bit better. And finally, bookmarks. Bookmarks are, in my opinion, the most underrated beginner prints. They print fast, use very little filament, and make great small gifts. You can even customize them with names or simple designs. Here are a few examples. There are thousands upon thousands of designs for these bookmarks. There's all these things from animals, to swords, to mountains. The list goes on and on. If you're just starting out with 3D printing, these prints will help you learn faster and actually use what you make. If this video helped you, consider subscribing for more beginner-friendly 3D printing content.